would I give you probable cause to take me in? Do you think I'm DUI?
I already have probable cause to take you in. I'm going to blow straight zeros. Okay. I don't give a Just shut up and listen for a second.
I see, brother. Keep going. Don't tell you to stop. Keep going. 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 Keep going.
On the night of March 29th, 2025, Deputy Roush of the Frederick County Sheriff's Office conducted a traffic stop on a black sedan near the intersection of Route 355 and Lowe's Lane in Frederick, Maryland. The driver, identified as local journalist and content creator Levi Trumbull, was pulled over for an alleged red light violation. The encounter that followed was recorded on Deputy Roush's body camera.
You ran a red light.
I ran a red light? Is that why I'm being pulled over?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Which light are we talking about?
The one at Lowe's going north of 355. I'm not here to argue. I need driver's license registration, please.
Okay, yeah, that's fine. I know that's at least one of my registrations.
You can have this one back.
Oh, thank you. My license might not be in this car. That's crazy. I have a valid license. 100%.
Where are you coming from?
Where am I coming from? I'm coming from Monrovia.
Anything to drink tonight?
Have I had anything to drink tonight? No, sir. I have not had anything to drink tonight.
You sure?
100%, yes.
What's your name?
Totally sober. My name is Levi. It's the same one on that registration card.
Okay.
Yeah, everything on that is the same. I can't believe I don't have my license on. I must have brought it in because I know I usually keep my wallet and things like that in here. But I know I took it out because I made an online purchase recently. So I guess when I took that out, I must have just not brought it back in here. So I apologize for that. But everything on that registration card is active and current, as you can see. So yeah, I mean, you have no, you can run me. It's all good. Everything will be good.
You still live in Monrovia?
Yeah. Everything is current.
Mr. Trumbull provided his vehicle registration but stated that his driver's license was not in the car. Deputy Roush then asked whether he had consumed any alcohol that evening, which Mr. Trumbull denied. The deputy proceeded to request that he perform field sobriety tests. However, before considering probable cause, an important question arises. Was Mr. Trumbull legally required to comply with those tests?
And he straight up crushed that red light. What? And has been repeating every single thing I've asked him.
It's like he's stalling to figure out what he's going to say.
Oh, hello, officer.
All right, I'm going to have you step out and field sobriety real quick. Make sure you're sober. Good to drive.
Under Maryland law, standardized field sobriety tests are entirely voluntary. There is no statute requiring a driver to perform them, and refusing does not carry any administrative penalties. No license suspension, no points, and no fine. This differs from the evidentiary breath test conducted at a police station, which falls under Maryland's implied consent law and can result in significant consequences if refused. In this case, Mr. Trumbull was acting within his legal rights when he informed Deputy Roush that he would step out of the vehicle but would not participate in field sobriety testing.
Well, I'm not going to perform my field sobriety, but I will step out of the vehicle. I don't have a problem with that.
Why won't you perform field sobriety?
Why would I? Why would I give you probable cause to take me in? Do you think I'm DUI?
I already have probable cause to take you in.
What's a DUI?
What's a DUI?
Well, no, what is your probable cause to think that I'm under the influence of alcohol right now?
Driving behavior, speech patterns.
What about my speech patterns?
It's not something I'm going to get into right now. Do you want to perform field sobriety or no?
Well, no. Why would I give you that? Because
okay, then I'm going to take you to jail.
Go right ahead.
Okay, try and put something on your bike.
You think that I'm DUI right now? This is insanity. I can't wait till you take me into Frederick County Sheriff's Office and you take me in, and then I blow on your...
I got one tonight.
I blow on your... I'm going to blow on your actual test, and it will be completely sober, sir.
5'1", 1095.
Yeah, I'm 1095, right? I'm going to remain silent at this point, so thank you.
That's fine. So what's going to happen now is you're going to be read your advice of rights through the MVA, okay?
Thank you.
Do you have anything on your person that cut, stick, or poke me?
No, officer. I have nothing that's going to harm you.
Okay.
Stick you, poke you.
Open your mouth for me. Lift your tongue. Up. Yep. Okay. Any piercings, dip, or anything that I've missed?
I do not have piercings, and if you ask, do I chew tobacco?
Yeah.
No, sir. I do not chew tobacco.
Okay. This could have been real easy, man. If you had anything to drink, it would have been real easy, but I'm just going down this path, so that's fine.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yep.
I have a cell phone in there.
Oh, we're going to tow your car.
You're going to tow my car?
Yeah.
Okay. That's insane. Okay.
Mr. Trumbull asked Deputy Roush to specify the speech patterns he had observed, but the deputy declined to elaborate. He did not mention any odor of alcohol or describe specific physical signs of impairment. A court would likely find that such vague, unsupported observations fall well short of the standard required under the Fourth Amendment.
I assume at some point there will be some sort of medical examination to determine whether I'm actually under the influence of any substances, and there won't be...
I didn't say get it, just stand there.
Okay, that's fine. And again, I just want to reiterate for the record, I am stone cold sober. I have not had anything to drink. I have not taken any drugs.
You're not giving me a chance to exercise that, so based on my observations, I'm going to take you in.
Well,
and if you want to blow zeros, that's fine. We're still within our right to tow your car.
I mean, I hear what you're saying.
Do this investigation, okay?
I hear what you're saying. I didn't believe, am I required by law to perform a field sobriety exercise? I didn't believe that I was.
It's called implied consent. It's on the bottom of your Maryland driver's license.
Okay.
You just hang out right here. We'll do the paperwork real quick.
I just think this is a shame tonight. This really is.
Okay, I've given you my opinion. You've given me yours.
I understand. I mean, you are
step in the car.
Arresting an individual right now who is not
in the car.
Okay, I'm sitting in the car.
Based on the observations I made.
Okay, I understand.
I'm sure you might be under the influence. There's more than one substance. Just shut up and listen for a second. There's more than one substance to be under the influence from, all right?
I understand.
You're not allowing me to do the test to either confirm or deny that you're under the influence of anything, so I have to go based on my observations. So I place you under arrest for that. Even if you blow zeros, it doesn't matter.
Okay.
Your refusal for the test gives me probable cause. Okay?
Listen, I do hear what you're saying.
So you want to continue to argue it and tell me how smart you are, that's fine.
I'm not arguing with you, sir.
You are. You've been arguing every single thing that I've done.
I'm not arguing with you, sir. I'm just letting you know.
At the station, Mr. Trumbull submitted to 2 separate evidentiary breath tests, both of which registered 0.000. A drug recognition expert was then called in and advised him of his Miranda rights.
I need to take a nice deep breath. You're going to seal your mouth on top of this mouthpiece and keep blowing until I tell you to stop. Understand that? Whenever you're ready. Come on over. Nice deep breath and keep blowing until I tell you to stop. Keep going, 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 keep going. Keep going, I can stop. Have a seat. When it's ready, we'll do that again. Yes, officer. Alright, come on again.
Alright.
Alright, just like last time, whenever you're ready.
Yes, sir.
Keep going, 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 keep going. I can stop.
Alright.
Have a seat. You're about to call upstairs, huh?
Yeah. I already know what's going to read. How about you? Any copies of all this? Right now I need a signature from you acknowledging that you agreed to take a breath test and took one satisfactorily. What we have now is what's called a drug recognition expert on his way to check for any additional substances.
Well, come and take my blood and urine too. That'll be a better resource to be able to run it through it. Is that funny?
Yeah, because all you got to do is take field sobriety tests and said you want to act like this.
I don't want to act like anything, sir. I have to exercise my rights.
And
you know what I mean?
And now you're forcing this investigation. So, I mean, if you enjoy spending the night in the hospital and doing the evaluation, giving blood, that's on you.
Well, here's the thing. I don't, but at the end of the day, there are certain things that I have to do to make sure that my rights are protected, because when men in uniform, you guys are the state, right? And I am considered the private. When the state comes down on the private, well, I mean, you know what I'm saying?
I need a signature, man.
Okay. I know you. I understand you need a signature. Right here?
Yeah, signature of driver.
So,
as the private.
I would usually like to read all of this before I sign it, but
that's what was read to you and placed in front of you in your lap. You're welcome to give it a read at your leisure.
Was this the audio that was played back in the car, the 7 minute and 42 seconds?
Yep,
I think
placed
it was?
in your lap, yep.
Placed in my lap, okay. This was in my lap the whole time. It was dark, so I couldn't read it.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the same document. Okay, advice of, you have been stopped, you refuse to... No, I'm not... Well, I'm not refusing to submit to a test.
It says if you refuse to submit to a test. In a hypothetical situation.
Hypothetical. Okay, listen, I would love to spend more time reading this, but I will sign it. I don't want to...
I mean, you're not obligated to sign it. If you want to read it, read it. I don't care.
This is the title says advice of rights, so I guess it's just notifying me of what my rights are. So.
As a Maryland driver's, yep.
Yeah, okay. Which, that title at the top certainly helps. Would you like this back, sir?
Yeah.
Okay. You're more than welcome. Need your pen. Thank you.
And have you signed this one quick?
And what is this one right here?
This just says you have 0.00 alcohol in your system. So there's no alcohol in your system. That's all this machine was reading for is alcohol.
I already knew that.
Alcohol?
Right.
We have to do that test.
I know, that's fine.
So sign the bottom for me. It says you're receiving your copy of that paper.
Okay, so defendant's signature,
Yep.
that's me.
Yep, that's you.
Okay, thank you.
How about we're going to run your DRE test in the other room. You can just drop it in your pocket. Okay. Just grab your form.
Mr. Trumbull immediately invoked his Fifth Amendment right to remain silent and declined to participate in the evaluation, a decision fully within his legal rights. He was released later that same evening, though his vehicle had already been towed and impounded.
Oh, we're not cramming this tiny little room.
Understandable.
Your seat right there, all right?
This is my seat right here. Good evening, officer. How are you?
I'm Corporal Leonard, Maryland State Police, ID 6495, here for my body cam, okay?
Okay, sounds good.
It's my understanding that you've agreed to speak with me today.
I have not agreed to that. I was going to ask what's happening here right now. What are my rights as it relates to what is happening in this room right now?
Well, no trouble whatsoever. I explained that. It's totally fine. I was called a drug recognition expert, someone who's highly trained to be able to tell impairment from things other than alcohol, drugs, controlled dangerous substances, medications, things like that. Before I do anything, I do have to review your Miranda rights. But I can, before I go there, if you want, if you have any questions, you're more than welcome to ask them.
Yeah, so what's your background?
What's my background?
Yeah, your background. You said that you analyze people, you recognize to see whether they're under the influence of drugs specifically?
Yes, sir.
So what's your background that gives you the ability to be able to do something like that?
11 years patrol of the state, and then I took not one but two different classes with the state police in charge of DRE recognition.
Like a college background?
Or not my college course now.
Not a college course. So you did take some sort of, is it through the state of Maryland?
Yeah, yes,
The state of Maryland program, okay. And you got certifications in being able to do the kind of activity that we're doing here in this room right now?
Yes, exactly.
Okay, very cool. Very interesting.
Yeah, it actually is very interesting.
So-
I do have to read you your Miranda rights.
My Miranda rights, yes sir. Thank you.
Because what we're going to be talking about is going to dip into things that could potentially mean incriminate yourself. Do you understand these rights that I've read to you?
Yes, I do.
Do you agree to speak with me?
At this time, I am going to exercise my Miranda rights and also my Fifth Amendment to the United States Constitution, and I'm going to assert that right now.
Okay, that's fine.
Thank you very much, officer. Do you have anything else for me right now?
Not at this moment. I mean, if you don't want to do the DRE eval.
Well, I mean, I am going to actually, you read me those rights? Those are my rights, yes?
Yes, of course.
And I'm going to exercise them.
All right, that's fine.
Okay, well, I'm going to invoke my rights.
Yeah, I mean, you already did, so it's
Yes.
kind of all done with it.
Okay, well, I'm letting you know. I don't know if that's, they breathalyzed me.
Yeah.
Good to know.
Yeah, no trouble.
Okay, well, thank you, officer. I appreciate it. All right, I'll keep my phone. Ooh, whoops. Thank you.
All right, well, you're not free to leave.
I understand that. I will follow your orders and comply with your wishes.
Have him sit back in the room.
After his release, Mr. Trumbull received 2 traffic citations for a red light violation and failure to produce a license. On May 8, 2025, both charges were dismissed in district court after Deputy Roush failed to appear. No DUI was ever filed, leaving Mr. Trumbull with no conviction on his record. To recover his vehicle, Mr. Trumbull paid over $367 out of pocket after it was towed and impounded. An internal investigation reportedly found that Deputy Roush violated multiple department policies. However, the specific violations and any disciplinary action have not been publicly disclosed. Mr. Trumbull filed a notice of intent to sue, seeking $1 million in damages for wrongful arrest. Under Maryland law, this notice is required before filing a lawsuit against a government agency. As of early 2026, no civil complaint had been filed, though he has time until around 2028. Deputy Roush receives an F for lacking probable cause and misunderstanding voluntary sobriety laws. He relied on vague observations, failed to document impairment, and missed the court hearing. These failures ultimately led to the dismissal of all charges from the stop. This case highlights the importance of clear, articulable evidence under the Fourth Amendment. Mr. Trumbull receives an A for asserting his rights and remaining calm throughout the encounter. It also serves as a reminder to invoke the right to remain silent as early as possible.